Late na kami ni DF, guys. Wait lang, oh my God. Baka nagsistart natin. Nagsistart na siya. Nakad kami na ano. Natakot din ako. Oh my gosh, ayun. Oh my gosh. Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. Long time no vlog. This time, it's a portrait vlog. Kasi trip ko lang mag-portrait vlog. Anyway, come with us as we go into our first ever Harry Potter in concert. I'm going with my equally Harry Potter obsessed best friend na si DF. And we'll take you guys with us in this amazing experience in the wizarding world. Grabe, this experience is really, really memorable. It's really one for the books. Not to mention that it is also my first time going on a solo trip. Because I am from the province and I'm going to the city just to watch Harry Potter with a live orchestra. The things you do for love. But anyway, without further ado, let's start the vlog. I am from Gryffindor. Hey guys, so we're on the way to Solaire, the theater, to watch Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire in concert. Gryffindor pa na ako, tapos siya Ravenclaw.
Pero hindi kami dyan. Iba yung college na.
Hindi dito. We're here. Tulog ako kanina. Inantok ko. Oh my gosh. Parang mali ata, best. Here. No. Dito pala. We're here. Nakikita ka na yung...
Mayroong mga taga-Hogwarts na Solaire.
We're here. Anong oras na ate? 2 p.m. yung ano eh. Oh my gosh, sila din ata. Wait, ang lamig pala dito.
Yes, perfect. Kasi ang init kanina sa sakyan.
First time ko dito.
Ako rin.
Lamig. Wait lang, oh my God. Baka nagsistart natin. Weird. Dito ba? Sa taas. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Hindi naka... Hi.
Mag-i-start pa lang.
Oh my gosh. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Wow. This is what we're gonna be watching, guys. Late na kami ni DF, guys. May nakita pa. Door 8. Door 5, 6. Ito. Ate, door 8. Ayan. Yeah, door 8 yan. Guys, nagsistart na siya. Nakad kami na ano, konti. Tapos papapasukin daw kami later on. Girl, nakita ko si Sophia. Di ba sabi sa'yo, hindi siya familiar? Nagulat ako pag oh my gosh, sa'yo, oh my gosh.
Yung may ano. Ay, wait nga, anong number ng ano natin ang buwan?
Diretso lang.
Yung ticket namin, guys. Digital.
Hindi niya masasabing kolorum yan.
Asan yung seat natin?
How do we know?
Seat 4 ako. Row SS.
Now at this point, meron kaming 20-minute break from the movie and the orchestra. And this was the only time that I was able to film kasi we weren't allowed to record during the movie and the orchestra. But later you'll see I was able to record a little bit of what was happening inside the theater. Pasaway siya.
Guys, kinikilig ako. Sobrang hindi ko alam kung titingnan ko yung orchestra or yung movie kasi sobrang galing nila. Parang hindi siya parang hindi sila nag-orchestra. Parang
Diba, parang
nakascore talaga siya sa movie.
right? It's so cool.
So cool. So amazing.
Super ganda ng seats namin. Like, even if it's so far away, you can see everything.
At saka the tickets are worth it.
Yes.
Super worth it.
Na-late lang talaga kami. Pagpasok namin, saktong pinakita na si Cedric.
The ministry. Instructing you, Mr. Cedric, all right?
Yeah. Super. We're surrounded by Potterheads. Wow!
The dream.
The dream.
Love it.
Performance will begin in a few minutes.
We'll begin in a few minutes. So nice! What an experience! Hey, it's done! It's done! Where? Ah, tara. Oh my gosh! Let's go! Picture din tayo dito! It's so nice. Oh, may nakita na akong Hufflepuff. Wow! Nasa ano ba tayo? Let's go. Guys, it's so cool. Guys, it's so nice here. Ano siya? Ano dito? Para siyang ano?
That is.
Guys, may nagpa-picture sa amin. Little Snape. Super cute. Hello! Dito ka sa gitna.
Galing picture kayo ni Ma.
Wish. Ilang ba tayo? Natay ka ba ngayon?
Guys, kakatapos lang namin gumawa ng maraming TikToks. Totoo. Sulitin ang get your tickets worth. Wala na masyadong people. But we're still here. Oh, let's go. Guys, nagpa-picture kami kasi andun si Hermione. Si Victor Crumb. Dito lang pala si Hermione, si Victor Crumb. Tapos, sino ba ito? Ay, oo, si Harry siya. Yeah, right. Nagpa-picture kami, so nice. Diba? Super pretty. Tapos, may na-meet kaming Hufflepuff.
Tapos kanina may baby snake.
Diba? Ay, na-video kayo kanina. Ang cute. Saan tayo kain? Tara, let's. Guys, we're now off to Ayala Mall. So, hindi pa rin ako makapapunta sa kanina. Ang ganda talaga. What an experience. Super nice.
Like, super memory.
Super.
Parang yung mga Hogwarts students.
Totoo. Sa TikTok, yung may mga point of view ng mga Hogwarts students. So, ano, sasakyan natin? Maglalakad tayo? Ah, okay. Mag-walk trip pala kami, guys. Let's go. Guys, we're here
Yan, tawid na tayo.
Tawid na pa tayo.
Go, let's go. Kahit maganda-ganda, di ba dyan?
Punta na kami Ayala Malls.
We're gonna stand here. parking pala. I can't believe I'm here.
In 25 meters, take a slight left turn to
May nagkoko. Nakaano pa rin pala siya. Biglang uminit, bes. Mag-scarf ka pa talaga, ha? Magaling yung mga tao. Uy, bakit may mga naka-costume dito? Dahil ma. Hindi niya kami kilala. Guys, okay lang yan. Okay lang, hanap na namin yung mga resto. Check niyo yung height difference. Sana all value. 6'3", pang standard ko. Napuno yung phone ko kanina, guys. So, nakakain kami DF, nakapaglibot na rin kami. And ngayon, nag-book na kami ng sasakyan. Pauwi na kami. Yay!